Hey guys, in today's video we are gonna be talking about the new Cabin Crew Simulator update, which basically adds the new Avro RJ 100, which I'm using at the moment on this flight of J Airlines. So basically the update I think happened today, and it added the new A380 lounge. But I can't show that because I don't have the A380 yet. I'm at the A340s now. One of the coolest things about this new update, it gives us Wi-Fi. So you can add Wi-Fi to your airline. And it's very interesting because if you have Wi-Fi, that means they also added that you can make your information board for your TVs, which also means like you can make it look the welcome board, the main menu, the food. It's so very interesting for the airline. And also, it permits you to, so it's not like that you have to put Wi-Fi on every single one. I checked on the tablet if you could turn on the Wi-Fi, but you can't. But it also adds like that you can really make it that you can put the Wi-Fi for your entire airline. For me, I have 13 planes because I skipped the A220. But I got the Avro, and there's a new 7879, but on this slide a passenger got sick. So I'm trying to finish the garbage and then I will go see what that passenger wants. Okay, well it's done. Now I have to go to the passenger. And it says the Wi-Fi is cooked. That guy says the Wi-Fi is cooked, bro. So I upgrade the Wi-Fi after this flight, but not yet because I'm in the flight. So I gave her the med kit, and now I'm gonna be finishing up the plane and ready to land. And the lady who needs medication is doing stuff. So now I'm gonna wait till the people are done with the things, and I'm just gonna deal with the passenger. I'm gonna ask a doctor to come up, and I'm surprised it's the old man. He might be 65, but he also looks like he's 80, in my opinion. But I could be wrong. I guessed here, but somehow I got it right. Which is great. But we're just waiting on him to finish his checkup, and then we're gonna land. Okay, we're landing. We're about to land, so doctor, just go back to your seat and we're landing. This plane, in my opinion, I love this plane because it has such an interesting design. With 4 engines, and it looks super cool. And don't mind the Discord notifications, it's just something. Well, now we're landing. And I believe I'll get a water salute because this is my first Avro RJ. And it has a rough landing. What a surprise. Well, overall, this aircraft is good because I managed to squeeze in 58 seats without making it too uncomfortable. But I believe you could put like 80 seats if you do not care. Or you are a Ryanair supporter. Or you just like making people suffer in economy. Well, you can put very good seats on this airliner, but I literally left at like 3:30 in the night in the game, but I was supposed to leave at 3 a.m. I cut that part out because I started recording when we were in the air. Sorry. And now we have the water salute. Yay! It's a slow aircraft. But if you're not getting the water salute, or you just do not care if you have a water salute, better skip the wait, because sometimes you have to go all around the terminal just to end it. While we're here, good flight. I'm just waiting for the doors to open. But what they should really add is stairs, like that you can put out stairs if there's no available jetways. I don't know if they do that or not. I could be severely mistaken. But... And I know I have the double %, but it also helps with grinding. Because mostly I want to make new videos for you guys, and also school's about to start tomorrow, so I only have like one day, and the videos will start coming slower because I have school and homework. But overall, not bad. Now we're gonna check out the variant. It costs 10,000, but I can't exactly buy it. But we're gonna check out the normal version, and it's gonna be elongated from what the main picture shows. We'll also have lounges, but I hope we'd have lounges for big planes like the 747. See the Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi, you can basically upgrade it so you have the best Wi-Fi on Earth. I do that for my airline so I don't get bad reviews. You can also add movies and custom IFE